My name is Caitlin Shacklet, and I'm doing my endangered species report over chimpanzees. The scientific name for a chimpanzee is a pan-troglodyte. These animals are omnivores and can live in the wild for up to 45 years. They can grow up to 4 to 5.5 feet and weigh 70 to 130 pounds. Chimpanzees are our closest living relatives, sharing more than 98% of our genetic blueprint. Like humans, chimps can communicate by using gestures and facial expressions and can be taught sign language. They are also one of the only animals to use tools in their daily lives. Chimpanzees live in social communities of several dozen animals, and they live in African rainforests, woodlands, and grasslands. Although they normally walk on all fours, chimpanzees can stand and walk upright. By swinging from branch to branch, they can also move quite efficiently in the trees where they do most of their eating. Chimpanzees usually sleep in trees as well by making nests of leaves. To live, chimpanzees need an environment like this with lots of trees for climbing, sleeping, and protection from predators. They also need a source of fresh water for drinking and plenty of food sources like insects, plants, eggs, and meat from small animals. Why is this species endangered? Millions of chimpanzees used to live throughout Africa. Today, there are estimated to be merely 172,000 chimpanzees left, and their population is decreasing rapidly. The increasing human population is pushing deeper into even protected areas of chimpanzee habitats, and large-scale deforestation is now a major threat to forest primates of Africa. Subsistence hunting of chimpanzees as a source of meat is another threat, as well as the threat of diseases which may be mild in humans but lethal to chimps. Why should we save chimpanzees from going extinct? For one, they have helped us make important discoveries about the origins of human behavior. For instance, we share many of the same natural drives and instincts as chimpanzees. Like humans, chimpanzees demonstrate a need for power and form hierarchies that include alpha males and females. Their behavior also reveals a peaceful social interaction that humans understand. Second, chimpanzees will consume as much as 100 kilograms of fruit a month. Therefore, chimp feces is full of fruit seeds, which is dispersed throughout the forest. The relationship between certain plant species and chimp feces is so symbiotic that plants can only reproduce if the seeds have passed through a chimp. So what can we do to save chimpanzees? First, we could create chimpanzee sanctuaries, such as the ones Jane Goodall developed in Gombe Island, Africa. Here, they are protected and can live in harmony with humans. Second, we could ban poaching of chimpanzees. Their meat is a delicacy and is only sold for money, not for the daily nutrition of humans. Third, we could work to vaccinate chimps from harmful diseases like pneumonia that they die from every day. Lastly, and probably most importantly, we should be conducting conservation outreach and education programs to raise awareness for chimpanzees. I'll leave you with a quote by Jane Goodall. Anyone who sees a group of chimps and sees their intelligence, their relationships with one another, cannot help but see how much they have in common with us. So let's work together to save the chimps. Thank you.